Hello dear friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video is a very special, powerful, potent video. This is definitely gonna help you. If your partner has stopped talking to you, has deleted you from Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Google, Gmail, email, even on WhatsApp, or has stopped communicating with you with any sense, or has completely broken off from you, he or she doesn't talk to you, doesn't attend your calls, doesn't message you, or even in the worst scenario, if he or she has permanently changed their number or permanently has changed their social profiles, then this spell is gonna be a life changing, a life saving spell for you. You can use this powerful spell, which is not only going to covet your relationship will, but also will initiate such a spark in your relationship that your partner is gonna, or your ex-partner is gonna call you immediately means right now, within a fraction of a second, within a fraction of a minute. Your partner is gonna call you, your partner is gonna express his or her feelings, whatever feelings he or she had for you. In real terms, he or she is gonna express each and everything, and you will be getting all the positive results. This is my promise to you. Dear brothers and sisters, this is a powerful spell which will force, eventually, practically, indeed, your partner will be forced to call you, will be forced to message you. If some sort of argument broke off between you, if some sort of kind of a egoistic feeling has come between you people are not able to communicate with each other, or some sort of third person has interrupted your love relationship, then also you can try this powerful spell. You just need a piece of carrot. A carrot is already in front of me. You can see, you can get a red carrot, you can get a white carrot, whichever carrot is available. A carrot you would be needing, then you would be needing a marker pen, right? And this spell is gonna make sure that your target person calls you or messages you, even if he or she is not having your phone number with them. So dear brothers and sisters, what will you be doing? First of all, you want that your target person should call you right now. So how you are gonna do it? You are gonna make sure that you first of all write down your mobile number or your Facebook ID or your Snapchat ID or your Instagram ID, wherever you want that he or she should call you. You will be writing down here. For instance, you want that he or she should call me on my number, so I'm gonna write down my number, not his or her number, my number. For instance, this is my mobile number. It's an anonymous number, it's just a random counting. You need to write down your number over here, or your Facebook or Insta or your Snapchat ID, wherever you want, even your email address, or if you are using any other communication, you can use that, or even your WhatsApp number, right? Once you have done it, you want to make sure that your target person should call you or message you on this number. You are going to make a circle. I hope it's clear right now. A dotted circle. It should not be a complete dark circle, a dotted circle, right? Now you are going to make a plus sign here. Within how much time you want the call? You are gonna write the time frame. For instance, I want the call in 30 minutes. So I'm going to write down 30 minutes. If you want in 1 minute, you can write down 1 minute. If you want in 2 minutes, you can write down 2 minutes. If you want 2 days, you can write 2 days. Whichever time is comfortable to you, you can do it. Generally, people write 30 minutes so that they can be prepared for this. So I have written 30 minutes here. You can write 1 minute as well if you want to. Let me clear it. So yeah, here it is now. Now, once you have done it, you are gonna write down your target person's name by making a arrow like this. Then you will write down your target person's name. For example, or for instance, her name is Jason. Jason. And make a plus sign. I hope it's clear with all of you. Once you have done it, what will you do? Let me just a little bit zoom it so that you can see it clearly. Yes, it's clear now. Jason, what will you do after this? You are gonna put the target person's city name, because sometimes we have seen that the target person lives in different city. You are in different city. If you are in the same city, you are going to write down your city name. If your target person is in different city, so you are going to write down different. If the target person is living in a Toyota area, it's a small area. If you know the exact area name, then you can write it down as I have written. If you don't know the exact area name, then you can put the city name, right? Once you have done it, now the powerful trick starts. You are going to write these powerful words. भाव नम नमो देवताय काले. भाव नम नमो देवताय काले. भाव नम नमो देवताय काले on this carrot. Right? It should be between this target person's name, city name, and your mobile or your whatever you have written here, right in between this. Now on Friday, that is, this work needs to be done on Friday at sharp 12 o'clock, that is noon time, afternoon time. This should not be any rainy day. It should not have any dark weather outside. It should be a sunny day. You are gonna read this Bhav Namo Devtaye Kale 31 times. Only 31 times you are gonna read this spell. And once you have read this spell, you will start eating this carom. Right? And for instance, if you have taken one bite from here, top, you have taken one bite from here, you are gonna lick the back part of the carom. First bite from this side, then lick it. Second bite, lick it. Third bite, lick it. Fourth bite, lick it. And in 5 bites you need to finish this carrot. If you have finished this carrot in 5 bites, dear brothers and sisters, believe me, the time frame in which you have written 30 minutes or 1 minute or 2 minutes, before passing this time frame, even before passing this time frame, your target person is gonna be calling you, is gonna be asking for forgiveness, is gonna explaining you everything what has went wrong and what was going through his or her mind. So dear brothers and sisters, if you need any other support or if you want any other information regarding this spell, or if you have any doubt regarding this spell, please feel free to ask us. You can call on the number which is there on your screen. Till that moment, you take care. God bless you. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.